Hi, welcome to the Edenos tutorial on how to continue your pre-existing journey. First, you will need to log in. So click on the login button, the top right corner. Enter your email, your password, and sign in. After you sign in, you'll be linked directly to the home newsfeed page. Where you want to go is the Journeys tab, right up here in the center. So click on the Journeys tab, where you will see your pre-existing journey already. Here is the study name of the journey, that is private. And in order to continue and add to your longitudinal survey and post, you want to click on this button, Add Post. After you click on Add Post, you can commence your longitudinal surveys. And once you get to the end of the survey, there will be a pop-up asking if you want to add any notes where you can share your thoughts, add a title, bold it, italics, underline, and even add a photo as well. Make sure to click Done after you are finished. You can also add side effects as well. So you would type in the side effect, add new, it would show up here, and click Done. After you have completed the survey, your notes, and your side effects, make sure to hit Submit so that your journey entry is logged. Congratulations! You have completed your first journey entry. It is very important that you continue to log your experience as you participate in this study so that you can track your progress and your improvement over time.